In this video, we're going to take a quick look at how to plot ordered pairs in Mobius. And this question is dealing with complex numbers and their conjugates. So you can see our complex number right here. It's -1 plus 3i. And we know that this complex number corresponds to the ordered pair -1, 3. So you can see we have our xy plane here, or actually we could say our complex plane. And if you notice in this particular plot, since it only involves points, you only have one, essentially a plot tool here. So this is the icon when you have to plot a point, and then right next to it you have a trash can, and that's helpful if you want to like just start from scratch and erase everything that you have. So let's go ahead and try to do the point itself. So -1, 3. So -1, 3 is going to be right there. And again, we want to make sure that this plot tool is highlighted. It shows up in red. And then you just move your cursor, and there it is, and you plot it, right? And you can see the point that we just plotted was in blue. And notice once we plotted that point, that plot tool goes away. So it's like each time you want to plot a point, you have to make sure that that plot tool is selected, and you go ahead. So let's also plot its conjugate, because the question says plot the following complex number and its conjugate in the complex plane. So the conjugate is basically where the imaginary part changes from a plus sign to a negative sign. So that would be the ordered pair -1, -3, which is just a reflection in the x-axis. So again, let me go ahead, make sure that this is selected, and then as close as I can, I hit that ordered pair, and now both points are plotted. Now let's say I plotted another point like somewhere over here. Let me select it, and notice it's not letting me select it because the question only expects 2 points. Now, let's say I made an error and I wanted to delete one of them. So you could select, actually, let's select the trash can first, and then click on the point that I want to delete, and then it goes away, right? And then I said, oh, I didn't mean to do that. Let me plot the point again. So let me go over here and hit it. And then I can always check using the how did I do button. So if I do that, everything is good, right? And that's how you plot ordered pairs, whether it's just a regular ordered pair or it's being interpreted as a complex number. That's how you do it in Mobius. See you around.